All right, I guess I'll go with you since you're going anyway.
The greenhouse I have built twice already because one time the wind was so strong it picked up the whole house, the whole greenhouse, and it landed in the neighbor's yard. So I had to go to the neighbors and say, "Hey, I'm going to jump your fence and get my greenhouse back." It was in their backyard. And then the second time the winds came, it didn't pick it up and carry it because I had ropes on it and tied it to the ground, but it blew out the plastic that I put wrapped around it to save the plants, to keep the plants warm in the wintertime. So and this is going to be the third time building it.
Second time you nail the wood to hold the bottom.
Yeah, I nailed a bunch of wood on the bottom to hold it down to make it heavier.
But this time the cover torn out from wind.
All I really needed was one night without winds. Normally we don't have winds here. It's like every couple months or so in Vegas we'll have high winds briefly. So I put this up by myself, the plastic, and all I needed was one night of no winds, but that was too much to ask. Right after I put it up, the winds just kicked up and blew it around like crazy. Fortunately, it's still on there. It was starting to rain too when I finished, so I threw my tools inside the greenhouse. So I still have today to tack down some of the frame. My idea is that I want to put the plastic on the inside and then put fabric on the outside, with the thought that the fabric will keep the wind from blowing this around, because this is the third time I've built this greenhouse. I'm getting tired of building it. So I'm just gonna grab my tools where I threw them last time. We did get a little teeny hole right here. I'll put some tape on that. black sunshades that I have are like two big rectangles. So I have a lot of options as to how I'm going to place them. What we just decided is I'm going to go around each side and leave the top open. Hopefully that'll still give it enough wind protection. I decided to put it sideways because that's mainly where the wind needs to be braced. The wind blows this way, so that's really all I need. But I have the other one, so should I put it on the other side? Maybe. Since we have this extra length on the bottom, I'm gonna fold it up and tack it in to make it look cleaner. Next, I'm gonna put these shade sail and fabric wood fasteners along the bottom and top to hold it in place. So hopefully it won't blow away in high winds.